Hello guys, you're watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorials. How to recover your Gmail password in case you have forgot. Someone who has stolen your Gmail password. Change the everything. So now you are not in a position to reset your Gmail ID password. Why? Because of you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. Everything has been modified. Yes, changed. What's the alternative approach to recover this ID we will see. This ID unfortunately has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that he is unable to reset the password. So just let's recover by live here. What's the alternative? Maybe very beneficial, but use it, don't misuse. Yes, it's only for education purpose. So how it is? This is a common method that I'm trying to recover ID, guys. See, we are in account recovery. Now we are trying to next, and here we can see try another way. If we tap on here, try another way, then what will happen is we don't have password, so just we will go for try another way. Now here we don't have a phone number also. Now we can see these are having a problem, but this can be recovered. It's essential that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is relevant. Google will ask this info to secure my accounts, but here this account can be recovered by answering his questions on, and second is option given that if your account is managed with a family link, should we have the sense and the email store. Yes, and this can be by alternative option. If we try multiple times here, then Google will contact to you thereby different email. We will have to give proof identity, proof evidence on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is really yours or not. If it is, then of course you will have the strong opportunity, but you will have to wait after 48 hours. We cannot wait such a long time, so let's rescue quick. So just we will cut it from here. We will tap on a Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we have one AI browser, Microsoft. So artificial intelligence, by using easily this can be recovered. How it is, we will see here now. It's downloading. On the other hand, we will come in a Google 2, of course, we will hold this. Yes, Z browser, and these all crucial changes is very important. Let's now one option has been blocked notification. Second, let's navigate to our locations. Yes, we will make the precise location off, and thereupon tap on don't allow enemy, so no longer the funds intended. It's essential that we will cut it from here now. Second options that we have another browser that's also product of Google Chrome. So hold it. We will come in this info.com, on app info, and of course we will tap on notifications. In notifications, just we will back after blocks, just we will come the permission. In permission, yes, we will have one locations, navigate the location, make the precise location off, click on here, don't allow enemy. Now here one more time we will have to back, then one more times we have a browser apps chances, just to click on here. Now simply we will have to tap on this browser to open it. Now here what we will have to do, guys, after coming on here, we'll have to accept the term and condition of this browser. So just we will go for confirm. Now what we will do here, simply we will have to write here Google help. So right here Google, pick these ones. Now we are on here. On a first link we will tap at. Now we will check it out what kind of the issue is that. Yes, it's related to our email, so just we will pick these ones. Now we will go for here, change the password and how to recover Gmail account and emails. Just we will pick these ones. Now here, see, just we will have to come on especially what's we are having a problem here. Yes, we will come on here. Let's see these steps for recovery these accounts. We will go for here. Now that we have accounts recovery page, and see here, just we will come on this here, and now what we will do right here, this particular ID that we would like to recover. Fine, we will go for next now. Now here, just we will come on a try another way. Now we will go for try another way. Now we will go for try another way. Now we don't have a phone number, so try another way. We don't have. Now here is more tips to recover these accounts. 4 attempts we have quitted. Yes, now fifth is the answer is questions, as many questions we can. Sixth option is a user device where we have the sign in before. Sixth one, seventh one is especially that family links, etc., etc. We'll go with the more tips to recover these accounts. And if you are having these kind of options, then this ID can be easily recovered. How it is? Don't click on a try again. We will use this by a Google service where it is. If we try again here, and then of course in this account maybe a freeze for timings because I'm trying to recover by a different browser. So just we will cut it from here and upon. Yes, we will have to come in tap on our settings. In setting, of course, we will have options Google service where it is. Now see here Google service, tap on it. Now we will come in especially this help options. Coming on a help options, let's tap to pick these help options. Now here we will have to wait here. Now we have options, and that is especially can't science in this Gmail accounts. Now here we have someone else is using this account. Fines. Now here we will have to wait. One option will be open there to secure this account. So see here is a secure this accounts, recover accounts or Gmails. Follow the step of these things. This completes the recovery step. How to create the strong password, Google accounts, and especially here is learn how to turn on the verification. These all are the later, but here we'll have to go for here. One thing is that we would like to secure this my account, so just we will tap on it. I'm tapping on here. We have to review your account activities. Now here, go to accounts, etc., navigation, security, these things I have done already. Now review the security event, especially check the suspicious activities. So here is a find out if your account has been hacked. Just we will tap on it. Now after tapping here, just we will have option that is a recovery page. Tap on it. Now here simply we will have to type this ID. Let's pick in this ones. Now here simply we will have to type on our next. Let's see. Now see guys here, directly we are on here. Here don't do a mistake by clicking on a continue. Don't click, so otherwise you would be trapped in its verify options. Just we will have to tap on a change the password, and if you tap on a change the password, what will happen guys here? Right here, new password confirms a new password and upon change it. After changing, then we will have to tap on this, and there we will go in a manage. Yes, your Gmail accounts or Google accounts. In there you will have option 1 security center. There add the recovery number, recovery phone numbers, the recovery of course email, so that such kind of incident won't be happen again. On a live screen we cannot create the strong password because we will have to deliver this to my audience guys. This is security concern, so this one on the live screen we cannot create. So this is all about in this video tutorial. To know more information, more update about this techniques by this way, to if you are unable to recover, then drop your email in the comments box. I will pick one, and if you don't have the problem, if it is not the privacy concerns, and then of course this would be in a public domain to recover by lives. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Further more inquiry, of course, I have the query in the comment box. Please would be mine. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.